This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store name on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Settings, and then navigate to Store Details. This section holds all the essential information about your business, including its name. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. Within the Store Details section, you'll easily spot the Store Name field. This is where you'll input your brand new, desired store name. Take a moment to ensure it's exactly what you want. While you're there, it's also a good idea to quickly review other important store information, such as your legal name and contact email address, to make sure everything is up to date and accurate. This ensures consistency across your entire store setup. After entering your new store name, remember to click the Save button, typically located in the top right or bottom right of the page, to apply your changes. It's a crucial step. Once saved, take a moment to verify that your new store name appears correctly within your admin dashboard. This change immediately reflects on your public-facing store, so your customers will see the updated name right away. It's that simple to make the switch. It's important to note that changing your store name on Shopify does not automatically alter your Shopify .com URL. That remains the same. You should also consider updating your branding, social media profiles, and any legal documents to reflect the new name. If you have an established customer base, it might be a good idea to inform them of the name change to avoid any confusion. Planning ahead ensures a smooth transition for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.